Hello, welcome back. With any social media platform, it's important to engage with your followers. And in this video, I'm going to be telling you exactly how to do so. Some of the most common ways to interact with your followers is liking, commenting, mentioning, tagging, or direct messaging. All of these things, I'm going to tell you how to use them effectively and efficiently. Liking is going to be the most basic way to interact with your followers. You like their photo, they like yours, you have a little bit of interaction happening there. You can either double tap the picture or you can click the heart underneath of the photo. This is one way to interact with your customers. Commenting takes it a little bit of a step further. This is where you are going to click on the speech bubble underneath of their post and comment something, whatever it is, something relevant to the photo. Then they can reply, you can go back and forth, and you can have a chain of comments or a small conversation in the comment section. Another step further would be number 3, which is mentioning. Similar to Twitter or Facebook, if you use the @ sign and then a username, you are going to tag someone. Now you can tag them in a story, in a post, in a comment, in a lot of different things, but it basically notifies a follower that you are talking to them and that this comment or this moment is for them. So for example, if you were to post a story and you tag them, you do the @ sign and their username, they're going to see that you're interacting with them in some way. Or if you post a photo and they're in it, you tag them in the photo and then they're going to know, hey, this is a photo of you, you're engaging with them, right? So that brings me to number 4, which is tagging. Tagging and mentioning are quite similar. You can mention someone in a comment or you can tag someone in a photo. They are very similar. Last but not least, we have direct messaging. This is going to be a private conversation, so similar to the comments where you're going back and forth with someone, except it's going to be private and it's only between you and that one other person. So those are 5 ways, or 4 ways I guess, in which you can engage and interact with your followers. That's everything for today. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I will see you in the next lesson.